You guys who are going to get massive, so you know they even taste good with you so come out for the road today. Yeah, because you know today a lot of bringing, you know, so that's the way I put it, some home style cooking, some home style cooking today. So normally on a Sunday, you know, so Jamaican, we always cook rice and peas and chicken. Yeah man, the red roaster thing. Yeah man, today is a different thing. So I show you before at the top what I'm going to do. Some ground provision today, you know, some yam, some banana, some corn, chicken. You understand me? I say, wicked finger licking. So we are showing you a little home style cooking today from Davian Taste House. So just join me in the kitchen, guys. I'm going to show them how we do it, our home style cooking. So let's go with we guys. Let's go. Yes, man. So we show you how we're going the pot that we're going right. So you know, yeah, guys. So it's like a chicken down there, in a little sink right here. So I wash off, you know. And over here, like I show you again, guys, we have the corn and the yam and the pepper we have upon it and the banana. Yes, man. I'll show you also the flour too. So today we're going in the kitchen today and do some cooking with, you know, we're going to cook with me today. So we're going to show you from the start until the finish. Yeah, man. So like I said, guys, so you know, so today we're at the kitchen and we're going to do a little finger licking style. Yeah, man. So today we're in the kitchen to do our own taste bud style. And enough people can cook, you know, they can eat. You don't know, say, I'm not such a wicked chef, but the time I go in and watch how people cook, I have them style in the kitchen tonight. Yeah, man. So we are going to do something now. So join me, guys. So I can put the camera somewhere so they can see what I'm going right in my kitchen. Yeah, man. So we're going to wash out the chicken right now with some water. Cut it up. This is the good old chicken. So I clean up the chicken and wash it off. Some people use vinegar to clean up the chicken, while I have some person use lime. So I have the lime. I'm just going to use the lime. I have no vinegar, so I use the lime and wash out the rawness off of the chicken. Yes, you can use it, put it in the description what you use on your chicken while cutting up. Yeah, man. So when you cut up your chicken, I'm going to wash it off. What you use. Yeah, for me, if it's not the vinegar, I use a lime. Yes, guys, so that's some home style cooking today. And we're going to talk about cleanliness in the kitchen. So in my kitchen also, yeah, man, we have to do the cleanliness thing too. Yes, we have to do the cleanliness in the kitchen as well. You understand? So like I said, now we're going to put on the pot on the fire. Put the pot on the fire. Yeah, guys, so I'll put on the pot on the fire right now. So it's the good old water over here. Yeah. So that is the food. The water for the food. That's in that pot. Yeah, put some salt in the pot now, guys. Yes, man. So buy the salt today, you know. And then rope of salt, so we have the good old salt right here. Good old salt here. So this is taste bud style in the kitchen. Yeah. Rubbish one right here. Everything I throw the bag at the girl is the rubbish one. So a lot of person don't even have to gauge the salt, you know, or taste the pot. They know exactly how much salt to put in the pot. For me, I have to taste the pot while I put salt in the pot. Yeah. So now I'm going to taste the salt. See it? Good to go. No more. Alright. What to do, guys? rinse out the pot cover, you know? Cover that. And then we're going to season up with chicken. Right, them kind of feel soft already. You have to bring out the pot. Or cook. You can just eat right after black. So them kind of name, very soft. Yeah, man. So no rice and peas today. We're gonna give them the home style cooking. Not the shots that in the kitchen. So we're giving the home style cooking, the yam, the banana, the corn. You understand? So we're gonna see some chicken right now. Yeah. Good old chopping board. Wash it out. Stew chicken style. Skin off it. Alright guys, so I am cutting up the chicken and I'm going to put some seasoning on the chicken. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you guys how I do my stew chicken. So show you how I season it up. Yeah guys, so like I said, I don't have any vinegar, so I'm using the lime. And you know the lime now? Lime, I can't believe it's a 500 of a 5 lime right now. 500 of a 5 lime. So the lime is where I'm going to squeeze in the chicken to wash it off. So you take out the rawness off it. Yeah. So you squeeze it nice like that, guys. Squeeze it. Yeah. So I'm going to make the water drain off over here. The water drain off over here. Yeah guys, so this is you can see it right here, the chicken. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cut up some seasoning inside of this, which is the ground provision thing, like the pepper, the Irish, the carrot, that go inside of this. So I got the ground seasoning as usual. Yeah. Onion, garlic. Pepper. little. Yeah. They're black now, guys. I'm gonna go on some more and show me how they like kitchen. Yeah, guys, so I cut up the little seasoning, and this is little garlic. See garlic right here. The garlic in there. We also have the onions. Yeah. Put the onion in it. Yeah, I put the good old onion in it. Yeah. So give me the taste bud style, taste bud way of his cooking in the kitchen. Yeah, man. Last time someone said me and said, I pay breadfruit my rose. Then you see me in the kitchen again, so we're in the kitchen today. Yeah, man. So this is this piece of sweet pepper. Yeah, man. You know, a piece of it. Put it up in it. And the pepper where a lot of person afraid of, like myself, don't like pepper, but I forgot the chicken. Yeah. So, stew chicken right there when I start with a little spice in it. A little spice. Taste bud way. Oh. So, this is the Irish. So we're gonna give them half of the Irish. You know, so all along we used to put, when I put Irish and carrot in the chicken, if a chef let me know that what these things do, it cut down the salt from out the pot. You know, get a little flavor in it too, but it also cut down the salt in the pot. Yes. So we're going to dice it up. Dice it up like this. Yeah, man, so follow me step by step, guys, step by step. Over here I'm going to look at meat seasoning. So this is the meat seasoning. A little meat seasoning right here. Take an all-purpose right here. Take a bit of chicken season. I don't want too much. I hate that. And remember, the season always have a little salt in it. So this is my little salt. I'm not going to put much. I'm just going to put a little tip of salt in it. But a little browning. Yeah. Browning right here. Yeah, so this is a Jamaican way of cooking stewed chicken. So I mean, you might do it differently from how we do it here. And also in Jamaica, a lot of person do their stewed chicken also different from me. I have my own style, like I said. I'm carrying the kitchen today to show you my style. Yeah. And what I always ask them out the street now about the secret ingredients. I have my secret ingredients. So am I going to tell you guys today? Yeah, man, I'm going to show you today, man. I'm going to show them my secret ingredients. So what we're going to do it like this. Stir it up like this. browning in it, the black. That's the tip of browning. It's the color coming. And the color. Color right here. The color. So it literally finished seasoning now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it down for a while, make it go and marinate. So I'm going to cover it up and then attend now to the pot with the food. So I'm going to put it right here, cover it up, rinse up that little area right just up. Now we do the meat, you know, so I rinse up that little area. Yeah, put that little chalkboard down there. Clean up my little sink. Clean up my little sink. Alright. So the pot kinda get hot. So now you cannot put the banana in the pot before the dumpling, which is the flour. So it's the flour, then the corn, then the yam, and the banana last, because you know so the banana will get boil out or anything, it will just get mashed out. Especially if the banana is soft. And these banana kinda look soft. Soft. Yeah, man. They eat rice. So today, you know, so them I say, if me can do the cooking today, so I say, sure. So I say, why you cook? I say, no, me fix up, man. So I'm just going to buy this behind them back. But I don't know where I'm cooking. When them come, then we'll see it. But I think rice and peas and chicken on a Sunday. But news coming their way. Yeah, man, news coming their way today. Okay, now, so. Yeah, so we're gonna put the salt in the pot right now. Water get hot. Really hot. Oh, boy. Gonna put salt already. Put salt already. Never remember. Put salt already. Put thing in the mind, guys. So this is the yam. You know yam. I always see my mother have a pot of water, put the yam inside of it while peeling it, because you know the thing I was scratch, so I guess I must have, so I just follow. Just follow. Yeah, so we're peeling the yam. So I scrape it like this because when you go and buy the yam and then cut it, by the time you reach home it look kind of black and look away. So you just scrape it off. Then you just scrape it off. It's in the pot. Alright guys, that is one. And I'm now going to need my flour. Put it in the pot. Put that right here for one. not gonna move different like how I'm normally doing, so. I'm going to wash up like this now and need the flour same way in this spot right here. Yeah, man. Yeah guys, so up on the we are knead the flour, you know. You put your back in it when you knead the flour, you know. So we are knead the flour right here. Yes. So you have a first now when I make the dumpling. So make it alright, I'm gonna just give you the real country talk. Cartwheel dumpling. So if you know what I talk about, you know what I talk about. So you have the cartwheel dumpling and you have the one of them call him now, the police button dumpling. You know, you look at normal dumpling them. They don't call it police button, different from cartwheel. So when it's a police button, that means it's little, small dumpling. Freeze up on me or whatever. Yeah, so you have the cartwheel dumpling. And you have the little small dumpling called police button dumpling. Yeah, man. So for me, the small dumpling me deal with. So if your arm not strong enough, the flour will spoil. Your arm is strong. Yeah, man. So but that person can't knead flour in it, try to spoil. Too much water in it. You have to know to gauge the water. Yeah. So this is how you do dumpling. Round it up like this. You just sink it down like that. You know, sink it down like that. So this is the small dumpling. Put it in the pot. And when you do your dumpling there, and have to clean, you know, your fingernail, have to clean, because when people don't eat dumpling on the road. Yeah, well, because you see the way you do your dumpling now, and have to clean. Fingernail have to clean. Clean. Yeah, so countrymen know like the dumpling, them like the cartwheel dumpling them. Give them my dumpling and laugh off of me. So bro, what that bro? What is that? A dumpling that. Yeah man. You got a country and the man look about dumpling here, okay, I eat two. Yeah, I can eat two, you're bad. Cause them dumpling they're big. Come like a pound of flour and just give them two dumpling. Yeah man. Boy, me I laugh because it happened to me earlier. Two dumpling the man give me and I tell us if we could eat them more. Yeah guys, so after we put in the flour in the pot now, store it so it don't stick. So it don't stick. Then we'll wash off the can in the pot. So like I would tell before, the banana have to go in last because the banana tend to be the first one that cook, although it go in last, it first that come out. So by the time the banana come out, everything does. I remember the chicken over there, I go and marinate in that pot right here. Yeah, I go and soak. So you stir your pot. who used to teeth out pot water out of pot when mommy run her back and go drink it like soup. Put up your finger. Me are one of them. So pot water, yeah man, we used to drink the pot water. Tastes good. Them say bust gas. Well, that time we younger. No, they do them thing because I know it kind of too salt. But I guess people still do it same way. So this is a good old pan. Wash out the can. I'm not telling them, kind of like them half cook already. Very soft. Lemon like soft. Guys, the pot kind of a little bit full up already, you know, so guess what I'm going to work? We'll bail some water over there. We'll bail some water over there. Or better yet, I'm going to change the pot. Put in a bigger pot. I have to go switch around the pot, because the pot I look too little bit. The 4-piece of can, bring up the water already. I put in the banana then yet, so I have to switch around the pot. Alright. So I will switch around the pot, guys. So you can accommodate the banana then, because right now that it's too full. So real chef will laugh out for me and say, yo bro, you know say fry your food, pound of flour and dozen banana and 4 can, you need a bigger pot rasta. And I say, you know that's true boss, but you know I'm not a real chef. I just taste bud who grow and taste food. So I have to go switch on the pot. Yeah man. So this is the monster pot. Big like my head. Yeah man, the big old pot. So we're gonna deal with that pot here. So we're gonna wash him out. Put on the monster pot on the fire. So this is the monster pot, boy, that are the teapot. That is the teapot. Now that thing. Yeah, look a joke. You know, say, I come in the kitchen one time, you know. It must reach the real chef them already. It must reach the real chef them. Only real chef this reach. So you can call me, you know, a real chef. I come to the kitchen, you know, and I look about some breakfast one morning, you know, and lift up the teapot cover, you know. Taste the tea and say, why, yeah man, it's alright. You know. Never remember saying I have the pot in my hand. This is about I remember saying the pot cover in my hand. Fling down the pot cover. Burn off my finger. Yeah man, so it must reach the real chef them already. Lift up a pot cover and don't remember say the pot cover hot. And by the time you remember, you have to fling out the pot cover. Reach me already man. Alright, so we're putting the monster pot on the fire now because like I said, you can see what I'm going guys. Look what I'm going over here. Just switch and so I'm going. Yeah, so I'm switch around the pot. That one there too small. And I tell you guys, I'm start scratching my already. Yeah, so you know a lot of person can't peel banana. You have 6 banana, but I don't peel 6 banana. I got all 4 left, you broke up 2. So right now I peel about alright. Which banana is this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 banana I peel. I'm not break any. Not going to break any. I'm gonna try my best. Not to break any. A lot of person can't peel banana. Am I lying guys? Some people don't even like peel banana. So what you do now, cut off the top here, and look at marking it right there. Push your finger right in here. Voila. Yeah, man. I would love to see a girl with long fingernails, tall fingernails, peeling banana. Probably skill while doing that. See here? Put the cut right in here. Push your finger right in here. Roll up your finger like this. Okay, like that. So like what I said, family, yard style today, no rice and peas today, ground provision today. Yeah man. Sunday cooking. Yeah, we still have the red rooster, which is a chicken. We still have the ground provision today. No rice and peas today. So we have the pot now hot for the chicken. So remember the pot want hot little more, you know. Let's say like a smoke of more time, you just pour the oil in it and then you just put the chicken in it and then stir it, cover it up, and you wait a little bit and then voila, show you what I want. So when in the kitchen now, we still cover the hair same way. We don't have the hair in it, but we put on the hat. Yeah, we put the hat on the head same way. Just like when I eat in the kitchen, we put on the hair in it. So you practice the same thing at your home, same way. You can know hair fly. You know, want hair fly and going at the food, you wonder where the hair they come from. Yeah, so practice the thing at the kitchen. Same way, guys, even if they're at home, cover the head while cooking. And you want the hair fly, you know? Yeah. Good to go. So like I said, guys, I am going to show you, I showed the starting, so I'm going to show you the finishing. Yeah man, so we're just wait until we're almost finished, we'll come back again and show you what I want. Alright? So give a little time to it. Yeah guys, so most of my friends are asking me the other day, taste what they start make videos. So I say, you know, so through the, you know, the work, you know, I also work, you know, so the work kind of dip on me now, so I'm trying to find a way how I can make you guys get videos every week, you know. So I couldn't go the road today, so I just say, oh, I'm gonna do some home cooking today. Show you what I'm going, you know, just to keep you guys active, you know, on my page, watch what I'm going, that getting bored. Respect for you guys that's still there, you know, watching out to see if I'm sending out any videos, but I have some ideas in my head. I like where I'm going, man. Me I come with it, man. Some road flex, man, I come with it. Yes, man. So I think I'm gonna hook up the game a little bit. So I'm sit down, I'm gonna analyze myself and see what I can do to make the page a little bit more attractive, you know, more fun watching than just watching people cooking. That come up with more creative ideas. So like I said, guys, so respect you guys that still stick around waiting for me to come with the videos, you know. So I promise you I'm gonna come with some video every week. Yes man, so Sticky me look for cookie can. I found a can cooking. And me know me attack too. Me know who me attack. Me have friends who watch me work and cook. Them man they say they can't cook. All man too. They cannot cook. Yeah man, so if I talk about me work and roast breadfruit. I mean no, I bring them in the kitchen already before, but it was so long ago when I just start this thing. So I'm taking you guys back into the kitchen. Make a system, make you just do my thing, not just breadfruit alone. So when I finish, so I go on. And then now I go taste it, I can give myself 10 out of 10. What you think? Yeah man. 10 out of 10 I give myself. So we soon come back. Going for the finishing touch. Stewed chicken. Yes. You see another pot over here, so no. Yeah man, the food pot like it I go down here now. Yeah man. The stewed chicken pot over here. Woohoo! Murder! Hey guys, so I'm on the finishing touch. Share out and I eat. Voila. You guys, sorry for the lighting, but so like I said, I was gonna grade myself with this food. So out of 10, I give myself a 10. Dumpling nice. The meat tastes soft and nice as well. Mouth watering. Yes guys. So like I said guys, I'm on how much dumpling, but 4 dumpling. They are small, so I can manage 4. 2 banana, the corn, the yam. Yum man. So like I said guys, I give some home style cooking. So you know, like my shirt. I know you must wonder what is this. I assume you can see it. Yeah man. Oh. But watering guys. Wow. Fun. I tell you before, the corn so soft. Soft and nice. So like I said guys, even taste bud. We'll catch you in the street one more time. And forgive me for taking so long to bring all these videos come for you. Because of the work, you know. But nevertheless, you will get your video now every week. I have some new style in my head. Yeah guys. I want my heart. Yeah man. You have to mix up sometime, you know, you know, if I eat rice and peas and chicken every Sunday. You have to get in the ground food sometime. Yeah man, I feel for. And when them come and see the ground food and I want it, I shall devour everything. So peace out guys. Until catch you again. Bye.
Head over heels for that someone. Head for the hills for nothing. Running, scared, screaming at the top of my lungs. In my many minds, my heart doesn't always agree.